let's take a look at the complete brake system that we offer for the early Mustang using the Kelsey-Hayes type D11 calipers. I'd like to go over some of the parts that come in the complete system, which is, of course, the D11 forged aluminum calipers, our BP10 brake pads, either plain-faced or SRP drilled and slotted HP rotors, new caliper mounting hardware, and also stainless steel brake lines. The thing that I find in the comparison between the factory hub rotor assembly and our rotor assembly is we get a lot of performance gain in the rotors. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Definitely. One of the great things again about this kit is the caliper works on either the factory rotor or our Wilwoods, which our HP line of rotors is actually a thicker, heavier duty casting than the factory system. Factory rotor is actually going to be working at a 0.81 rotor thickness compared to ours is jumping up to a 0.93. So you have a lot more rotor mass, a lot more cooling capacity in that system, as well as material throughout that hat hub combo to be able to dissipate that heat through.
Wow.
So when people look at the brake kit, one of the great things is we're saving, again, 5 pounds of weight per caliper, but in the rotor, it's actually a heavier system going over to ours, but we're saving that weight in all the right areas.
So we're saving it in the unsprung, which is really good. We're adding it in the rotational mass. The rotational mass is not going to be as big of a difference as unsprung. So overall, the numbers that we ran, we're going to save 1 pound by going to our brake system over the factory, but we're going to have so much more heat dissipation and cooling efficiency.
That mass increase in the rotors is one of the big things in regards to this entire brake upgrade that we do, compared to just the caliper replacement, which is again great in itself, but having this combo right here really steps up and brings you to that modern performance driving and capacity.
Got it. So some of the numbers we found were our rotor assembly comes in at 21.5 pounds. The factory hub rotor assembly, because they're separate, they bolt together, was 17.5. The factory Kelsey-Hayes steel caliper was 9.5 pounds. Ours are half that. They're 4.5. So it was 27 pounds each corner of the front of the car for the Kelsey-Hayes factory brake system, and 1 pound lighter, which doesn't sound like a lot, but talking about the gains and the improvements in the rotor.
And half the weight in the calipers. And it's again, forged aluminum. Dissipation in the calipers, more capacity in the rotor. That's a win-win right there.
Awesome. Hey, we hope this information was helpful for everybody today in making a decision about looking at our D11 calipers. If you're looking for more information, go to wilwood.com or give us a call at 805-388-1188.
Or check out the link in the description below.